Going on, guys? BoostedWhipz here. I'm gonna be heading out to the shop. We're gonna be installing the BC Racing Coilovers. I went ahead and had again issues with my Megan springs making clunk and squeaking noises. I'm gonna take a little quick short video so you guys can see what I'm referring to. It's always happening on the front right. I also see it on the front left, but much less frequent, or you can hear it much less. So I just decided to go with coilovers, not deal with any of that junk and stuff. So without further ado, I'm going to show you just a little quick close-up of the BC Racing setup inside the box, and I'll show you the squeaking noise and clunk noises, and then we'll head out to Asian Motors to get this baby installed. Alright guys, I already went ahead and I opened up the box. I removed all the, it comes with some stickers and all that stuff and all that goodies. So I just left the manual in here just in case the shop needs it. I doubt it because they're experienced on the BC coils. But they're really nice, guys. It's black with gold. Go ahead and remove this out of the way. And here's this beauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed, and then I'll give you guys an update of how everything looks. Planning to go just a little tad lower than the Megan, and we'll see what the final setup comes out to be. I'm thinking about just closing the gap completely, or maybe leaving like about 0.1 0.2 inch gap, more or less, considering that the Megan's is 1.4 inch drop on the front and I had a 2-inch gap. With the coils, what I might do is just do like a 1.6 or a 1.8 drop in the front, and same thing on the rear to try to get that balance look, and just have that 0.2 inch, kind of gap within the tires or whatnot. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the issue that I'm referring to, and then we'll head out to to Asian Motors to get this installed and ready to go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get a video shot. Hopefully you guys can hear the squeak and clunking noise. I'm gonna try to go forward and back up. Hopefully you can pick it up. Mostly of the sound of the engine kind of gets picked up by the mic instead of the actual noise. But let's give it a shot, and hopefully you guys can hear it. So let's go. Alright guys, hope you were able to hear it. It's a little bit hard to catch it on camera, but it is really annoying. I heard a few people had the same issue, but anyways, made it to the shop, Asian Motors. I wanted to show you guys how the car looks as is right now with the Megan springs, and then we'll do a shot once the BC Racings are in. So gonna get the car started hopefully anytime soon, and then we'll take it from there.
another level of quality.
Does it help this long?
Get yourself up, dust yourself off and get your fist up. Put your hands up, gotta get strong. If you want it, come and get it, motherfucker, it's on. You gotta stand up, get yourself up, dust yourself off and get your fist up. Put your hands up, gotta get strong. If you want it, come and get it, motherfucker, it's on. You gotta stand up.
Alright guys, there it is. This is the BC coils. I dropped it all the way. It does a 2-inch drop. This closes the gap, and just a little slight tucking on the tire on the fender. I think it gives it a more aggressive look than the Megan springs. And overall it just looks nice. Wanted to point out, guys, the sellers or resellers of the BC coils, they're putting the wrong pictures on it. I thought the top hat portion came with the whole assembly due to the pictures that they're promoting on their website, and it looks like it's not the right thing. So I reached out to BC Racing directly, and they told me that those are optional accessories, and that basically if you install those, you could run potentially create some noises on the front right passenger side, which seems to be the common on most of these coils or springs. So for them to avoid those type of issues and have a nice comfortable ride, they're using the stock top strut area, the top hat, and the plate that goes on top. So just in case, guys, if you don't see it and your shop is asking for it, that's what it is. I think it came out real nice, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the skits of the shop working on it. I was not able to film, you know, details step by step, just limited on time, and also, you know, regulations of the actual shop. So they let me film, you know, a few skits here and there. But anyways, guys, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Once again, guys, I appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. Until next time, BoostedWhipz, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.